So I'm in my Volvo 850, 1995, and the seat belt would not pull out. You had to jiggle it loose. Just jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And I think I've repaired it where I didn't have to do too much. What is this cat doing? Okay, so I push the seat forward so I can get room into this. I disconnected the battery, the car battery, and I pulled this out, this panel. You have to be careful with this panel. But you start at the base. Start at the base of this and jiggle it, pop it loose. Somebody had already broken this before, but this little piece here. But anyways, I carefully took it out and basically it would not come out, and now it does. That is amazing. See that? It would not do that before. And I was able to fix it. I figured out that if there's any snag, anything that's locking it up, it must be at the base. And I was seeing dust and stuff in here. So I cleaned it off. And at the very base, you see the space right there? I took WD-40 like this with a straw. And I sprayed it. I put it right here. Right at the base. I squirted right there. And I squirted also over here. On that side. So you just squirt here and you squirt there. And work it back and forth. And it freed up. Basically freed up the seatbelt. So I don't have to keep jiggling it. Okay. Luckily I had it in my back, and I've got some little straws. I mean little brushes. So I'm just going to clean up around, get all this little dust particles. I didn't have to do too much. The seat's still in there. I was about to take out the seat. See, I had this ready to take off the bolts that are down here. But I thought to myself, wait a minute, the seat can go forward enough. So I have enough room. So I don't have to do too much work. But now it's freed this up. What is this cat doing? This cat, what are you doing, cat? Huh? So, that's that. I fixed it. Thank God.